Alrighty, I have a quick construction update for you today on all the things going on at Canada's Wonderland. Before I get started, I'm just going to post a reminder every other day or something like that about our events coming up. So we have our May 14th event, which is a 3-hour after the park closes event on Elpin Fury and Leviathan. And then we have our September 12th full day event with ERT on Yukon Striker, 2 tours and 2 hours of LRT after the park closes, and a park Q&A. So if those events interest you, I'm going to post the link down below to both those events. The September 12th one only has very few spots left. So if you are planning on coming, I would get your tickets soon. We are capped at 150 attendance for the first part of the day, and then we have our LRT portion as well. Heading on into our construction update, obviously they have started painting the track for Flight Deck. Also on top of that, there are signs that this fighter jet is definitely going to be moved. It is looking like, obviously we can't confirm, but it's potentially looking like they're looking at this to move it somewhere else. I would, again, I think I said this previously, that I would love to see it in the Halloween Haunt Zombies Scare Zone, or maybe they could even utilize it over at Skyhawk. That would be pretty cool. Change that little tiny one they have on the sign and put this over at Skyhawk. That'd be pretty cool. But nonetheless, we still don't have any confirmation for sure that this is going to go, but I would love to see an actual biplane over here instead to go along with the theme a lot better. But we'll have to wait and see, unfortunately. But the paint job is coming along nicely. So it's a Yukon Striker support color scheme for the supports of Daredeviler, and a goldish yellow design on the track. So it looks really good. And the sign for Flight Deck, or Deck Flight, for those of you that were making the joke in the comment section, has been removed and completely gone as well. So this is definitely going to look really nice, and the color of the track blends in with the buildings around it. So that's awesome. Nothing to see here. Just ignore that. But over in the World Expo Kingswood Theater area, wow, I don't know why that was such a tongue twister there for a second. Nothing new in terms of demolition. They have not continued onto the other buildings. I couldn't find the excavator, but it's still here because the equipment the excavator came with is still there as well. So I don't know where it is or where it isn't. However, it doesn't look like they're going to demolish any of the other buildings. It looks like they may have only demolished that one sign in the Kingswood area for vehicles to pass through easier. But outside of that, I do think this is going to be a very slow process, because I do think that our coaster isn't due until 2028 now. And I think that prepping the area or taking down like the structures and all that, there'll be evidence when they're actually serious and really going to go to town on it. You'll see them emptying out Kingswood. You'll see kind of like markings in the ground, like those little construction flags. And we're not seeing that yet. So we're not going to get too excited about anything to do with the actual Kingswood tent coming down anytime soon, because there will be signs. Heading on over to Mindbuster, they are making pretty significant progress. So a lot of the support structure appears to be almost done in terms of supporting the actual helix for that 3/4 of the section that they've done already. The running rail has been installed for a good amount leading up into that new airtime hill. And they paused there where they've installed the new head choppers, and then they've been working on further reinforcing that drops structure that you see going down to the ground. So a lot of work there, but in terms of the helix, a lot of further support work has been done to the helix, and it's just going to be continuous work with that. Again, really hard to tell by the naked eye, but still a lot of work that has taken place. Thank you so much for watching today's construction update, and have a good one. Bye.